Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. This video is going to go over simultaneous 5-axis. My name is Paul Ludwig and I'm an application engineer with HCL CAMWorks. The first thing to do when creating a 5-axis feature is to make sure your machine is set up properly. We want to make sure that our rotary axis and our tilt axis are oriented correctly and that our setup is also correct. Creating a 5-axis feature is very straightforward. It's as simple as selecting the faces that you want to program. Once we have generated our toolpath on our 5-axis feature, there's several things that we can adjust. The first is the pattern. We have milling, 5-axis drilling, swarf milling, and multi-axis machining. Inside of each method, we have several different patterns that we can use. We also can control the axes as we're cutting. Normal to surface, tilted relative to cutting direction are two of the more common ones. We also have others in the list. Once we have these items set, we can control the finish. One of my favorite areas in the finish is the extend trim. This allows us to have the toolpath go a little bit past the edge. Another important tab for controlling a 5-axis toolpath is gouge checking. In this case, we can apply gouge checking and then we can select which entities we want to avoid. We can also avoid feature surfaces and other surfaces as well by selecting them and creating additional features. Once we have gouge checking selected, we have several different ways in which we can control how the tool is going to tilt. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.